Okay, here we go. It's a hot day in Texas, but I'm not hot in this car. This has got cold air conditioning. Cold air conditioning. Air conditioning is a wonderful invention. Okay, we're about to be out of the neighborhood, and this car has that wonderful dual personality. I mean, I can drive it as calmly as I like, can take my grandkids to get ice cream, or I can teach some young guns a lesson. Yeah, it's got serious horsepower. It would really, really go. I won't push it for all it's worth because I'm a chicken. You know, basically the bottom line is its limitations exceed mine. Feels good back in these twisties too. Stays nice and tight. Steers beautifully. Yeah. It's not just a straight line car. The car's built well. It's got the suspension. It's not a vintage Mustang in the areas where it counts. And that's what separates a good Restomod. And I do mean a good one because most aren't. Most of them have parts that aren't well mated to the chassis. This car is the exception to that rule. And it performs much more like a modern car. Certainly doesn't mind going. Okay, I'm gonna put the window up with one touch. No rolling, I love that. I'm gonna put the air conditioning back on, and I'm gonna get on the interstate in 5th gear and roll down the road and see what it feels like. 5th gear drops it down to overdrive at a very civilized RPM. I guess you pick your gear, you pick your speed in this one. Nice, very nice. You know, it's a wonderful thing when you can give it the go with confidence that you can give it the stop. This thing stops with confidence or slows down with confidence. That's a big deal. It's a really big deal. Okay, we'll do a U-turn here after the light changes. Go back the other direction. The shifts are nice and tight and crisp. I'm gonna turn the air conditioner off. It's a lot quieter in here without it. And the cabin's super cool now. Electric window, you just hit the traditional window crank and it just goes down. That's mighty nice. One of many very nice modern features built into this old school, new school Restomod. Yeah, it's got so much going on. Okay, here we go in our tight U-turn. Very easy to turn. Okay, it wasn't near done. I was done, but it was not near done. There is some serious horsepower in this car. Wow. I mean, here's 5th gear. You can just leave the traffic behind if that's your goal. I mean, leave it behind. Wow. Okay, so what do I think? I am so impressed. I've driven a lot of Restomods, and for a lot of reasons, I'm not a fan of the Restomod unless it's built well with the right components and everything works together in harmony, and that's exactly what happens in this car. This car delivers an experience that is not factory 68 Mustang. It supersedes that with technology. You know, there's componentry in here that Ford would have used had Ford had 50-something years ago. So what it is, it's basically the look and the pizzazz of the vintage Mustang, but some of the aardvarky nature of that is eliminated with some of these updates. It's not that I don't love the factory stock cars. I do. If they're a good factory stock car, I do love them. But this experience, oh my, it's something entirely different. It's very, very special. If you're the driver type and you can get your car to this level, you're going to fall deeply in love. Well, that's it for the test drive. I hope you guys enjoyed it. For me, it was a rush. Cars like this don't come around very often. What a thrill. Listen, guys, go to our website, qualityclassics.com. I think you'll love what my son and I are doing. We buy some of the best sourced and best sorted cars out there. Do a deep dive on the channel. Get to know us. We're different. We're not like anybody else out there that's dealing in these classic cars. Also, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click like if you like this video, and enjoy your car life journey. Adios.